my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrea. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited for this video because today I am doing the numbers pick my makeup challenge. I'm going to be using the BH and Daisy Marquez collab because I feel like, you know, there's such nice colors in here. I think that we can kind of get something good, but I am doing a little twist to this challenge. So normally you would just write down the numbers going like this on a paper. So I have those ready, but I want to make it even harder and leave it up to chance to decide how my makeup is actually gonna go. So I have these bigger papers, which I will put in the bowl after, and I'm going to lay out my little papers and pick out one at a time the bigger ones, because these bigger ones say where that specific color is going to go. So for example, let's say I pull number 3. This one is number 3, so I'll set that down, and then after I have all my numbers laid out, pick out the first part. If it says brow bone, I'm going to put it right there, and that means that this is going to be my brow bone highlight. So this is going to be completely up to chance. I have no idea how any of this is going to turn out. We're really going to try and hope that I have luck in my favor and I can get something good out of this, or it can just be a complete disaster and you'll just sit here and watch me like fail. If you want to see this numbers picks my makeup challenge with a twist, then please keep on watching. Firstly, to start off, I have my little numbers here, so we're going to pick, I'm going to pick 7 because I have 7 positions of where it can be. So it can be your brow bone, your inner corner, your transition shade, your crease shade, your lower lash line, your lid shade, which will be like a cut crease, and your outer corner. So I have 7 shades. So I have 7 like places in my eye where these colors can go. And let's go ahead and start with the first one. So number 1 is this one. I'm going to set it in front of me so I have them lined up so I can pick the bigger ones after.
So then I have number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 2 more. Let's really shake it up.
There's a black in here that I just really hope I don't get.
6, last but not least, 7.
So I switched them out. Now I have the big ones of where these colors are gonna go. So let's start. So this one's number 1, which is gonna go directly under number 1.
Then we have 2, right under number 2. 3, 4, 5, last 2, 6, and 7.
I'm kind of like really scared, so I'm going to open them and have them laid out so I know which one goes where. I'm starting with the color. So let's see. This one is number 12. Number 12 is, okay, so number 12 is Lucid here. It's the purple shade. That shade is going to go on my lower lash line. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, this is number 6. Oh, we have Karma, the red one. Number 6 is going, oh my gosh, in my crease. So it'll be under wherever my transition shade is gonna go. Then we have number 2. Oh my God, I really hope this is transition because number 2 is Dulce. Okay, let's see. Where is Dulce gonna go? In my outer corner. Okay, nice. All right, let's see what's next. Ooh. In my outer corner. Okay, 15, we have Angelic. It's this beautiful like metallic shimmery gray. Oh my gosh, I'm really nervous. Where is that gonna go? I really hope it's nowhere in my crease. I have transition left. Okay, this one is gonna go on my lid, so I'm gonna cut the crease and put that on my lid. That's not terrible, except that I'm putting a red in my crease and I'm so scared. Okay, next we have number 19. Okay, so we have a number 19 is Lust. It's a dusty, champagne-y, like pinkish shade. That one is going to go, oh, that is going to be my transition shade. I have not put a glittery, like shimmer shade in my crease since I was like 14 years old. Oh my god. Okay, we're almost done. We have 2 more left to pick out. This is number 8. Number 8 is Vintage. Oh my god. So the terracotta orange is going to be my brow highlight. Love that. Love that. Last but not least is number 14, which is going to go in my inner corner. So that's the last one left. Yep, inner corner. So it wasn't terrible until I have to put a shimmer transition. Number 14 is Icy. Okay, that works as an inner corner shade. Let's prime these eyes and let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, so I primed my eyelids with my Makeup Revolution concealer like always, and I zoomed you in just a little bit so you can see what's going on. So I am gonna really try and make this work even though there's some really funky situations going on. I'm gonna try to blend everything out as nicely as I can, you know, and just try to see if we can do this. So we're gonna start off with Lust. Never used this shade before, but Lust is like a dusty pink. It's just like a shimmer. And I would never use this as a transition shade, especially now with the knowledge that I know. Like when I was younger, I would have put shimmers in my crease like nobody's business, but now obviously we don't do that. But according to these 19, that is 19, it's my transition shade. So let's go ahead and put this in where I would transition, you know? Pretty good. I just kind of placed the color. That's nice. All right, moving on to crease. So for crease, we have number 6, and it's my crease. Karma is like a nice like red with orange, like strong orange undertone. So use Karma in the crease. I'm going in with the Morphe M513. So Karma's blending beautifully. Only problem is that you can see that shimmer from Lust peeking through. So the like whole crease transition area is like kind of shimmery. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with my outer corner shade, which is number 2. Outer corner, it's Dulce. So it's the one I would have loved to have as a transition shade. But it's okay, we can't always win. And just blend that out with the M222. This color is very nice. I've used it before, but it's very light, so it's not looking terrible. I thought it would be worse. I don't know, I think what's really gonna mess it up is having the terracotta color as my brow bone highlight. Like, oh my god, that's what's really stressing me. Okay, so next we have a cut crease moment. So we have number 15 is the cut crease lid shade, and that is this beautiful like silvery metallic called Angelic, and it's nice. It just doesn't really go with this color scheme. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer, cut my crease with the Morphe 167. We'll see how that works. I'm using my e.l.f. little packer brush and going in with that silver shade. I would normally not pair, you know, warm colors with cool colors, but I'm trying here, trying to make this work. That's what it's looking like so far. I still expected it to turn out worse. I don't know, we'll see the end result. I saw Nikkietutorials, Daisy Marquez, and Alissa Ashley do this challenge. I'll leave their videos linked below because they also put their own little twists on the numbers pick your makeup challenge. So yeah, you should go check those out. I think I'm just gonna go in with the brow bone highlight, get it over with, see what we can do. It is number 8, brow highlight 8. So we're going in with the terracotta color called the Vintage as a nice brow bone highlight because it's actually matte. So let's see. I'm just gonna take this super tiny thin brush and apply it, but so minimal and sparse because I don't want it.
Oh my god, oh my god. I think I would prefer this as an inner corner highlight. I don't know.
And everything is so warm, and then we have like two cool tone colors, the gray, and then the lower lash line is the purple that's also kind of cool tone. So we're just having a party here. Honestly, we were doing so well until I added this brow bone highlight. That's my look. You can see how my life is going. Okay, let's move on to the lower lash line. We have number 12, lower lash line. Number 12 is Lucid Purple. So that's number 12. That's gonna be what's on my lower lash line. Again, also a shimmer. I'm going to use the Luxie Mini Tapered 121. It's like a small little like blending brush. Let's just pop this under. There's not much we can do. It's a shimmer. Get a more precise brush and deepen the purple up a little more. I don't even know if you guys can see that. This is definitely more like a lid shade. I wish I would have gotten slime though. I wanted to try that green. Anyway, honestly, the only good color that came out of this, like that goes exactly where it's supposed to go, is number 14, inner corner. That is Icy, a white shimmer right here. It's so pretty. I've tried this in my inner corner and I love it. All right, I'm gonna use M326 and highlight the heck out of my inner corner to see if it distracts from the rest of the eye look. Probably not, but a girl can dream. I haven't done such bad makeup in so long. So what if we put on an eyelash and maybe it'll look good-ish? Yeah, I love that. Okay, beautiful. I think I'm gonna intensify Angelic a little bit more. Oh, why not? We're already here, right? Woo! Let's finish off these eyes with some mascara, a little bit of a lash, and let's just end this challenge. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in just a little bit more so you can see what's really going on here. That is the finished look. So I went ahead and I popped on the classic Ardell Wispies and I used the Lorac Pro like mascara, and then I remembered that I absolutely hate that mascara. Do not recommend. I used the Trestique mascara on my lower lash line. I don't know if you remember, but from my last video I mentioned that the mascara itself was a little like not very good, but it was pretty good for my lower lash line, so I went ahead and used that there. Add a little bit more lips. I'm using the Dominique Cosmetics that I got in my Boxyluxe this month. But yes, this is what my look came up with. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I thought it would come out worse. It's just that this brow bone, not my jam. And then of course there's like really no outer corner color. It's very hard to see. It's there. It's the orange like dulce color, but you know. Okay you guys, so that completes today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think, and also let me know what other challenges you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when I post. And I love you so much. Thank you for sitting through this and just seeing this epic fail. I will see you in my next video. Bye.